How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be working on the forge again. We're going to beat out a couple of hooks, and we're going to beat out, well, not really beat out, but we're going to build a little guy. And I just need the forge to make some little pieces on it. So, let me show you what I'm going to work with. Okay, here's the pieces we're going to work with. We're going to use the concrete nails and build out a couple hooks. I had a request for a couple hooks, and I'm going to get these done. And then just one little railroad spike, and we're going to use some 1/4-inch dowel to build us a little guy. So let's go ahead and get this. I got the forge heating up. We'll throw this stuff. We'll get these done up first. Won't take us long. Okay, we have both of our concrete nails. They both look about the same. They're pretty close. So we're going to go ahead and bend the hooks out of them. This I did a lot faster than the other hooks, getting them hotter, using a little bigger hammer, beating them out a little quicker. Alright, what I've done here is I got a piece of 1-inch bar. He wants to make sure that's 3/4, so we're going to do 1 inch. I just ground a little bit on this side, a little bit on this side. We're going to bend it over that. It's the first time for me doing this, and I got the camera right in the way here, but I'll get it. Might take me a couple heats, but we'll get it. Okay, I think that is going to be okay. Okay, I just wanted to make sure my tip was the same as the other one. Okay, we should have two hooks that look pretty much the same. Alright, we got our hooks pretty much made now. What we're going to do now is, I cooled them off. I'm going to just wire brush them real good. So we're going to clean them up. Alright, we're going to do the brass brush. See if we can get a little bit of this brass to rub off on there. Since we got the brass on there, now I will drill the holes on this for him, but I'll do them after they're made. It'll be alright. I still need to make the jig for my anvil here so I can get them holes beat in there. But I can only do so much. I've been doing a lot of projects and trying to make sure everybody's got what they want. I rubbed a little more on the other one, so I'm trying to basically get them to look about the same. I think that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and put some wax on the old boy. Okay, here's our two little hooks. I think they turned out pretty good. Both look pretty, I mean, they look pretty much the same to me. I mean, they're close, but they look pretty good. So now let's get on our little guy we was going to build. So this is going to be pretty easy. I figured while I had the forge fired up, I'm going to make two little hands out of one side of hand and the other side of hand. This is 1/4 inch dowel. This will be for our little guy. I'm not sure if I could cold cut these. My thing is having a place to hold this stuff and then cutting out whatever you want on it. Alright, that's pretty good. I could use the Dremel tool to clean them up a little bit, but I think that's pretty good. Okay, we don't need the whole spike, so we're going to go ahead and cut it off. Okay, we're using about 3 inches of stock from the tip of his finger down to where I'm going to cut it off. Now for his feet, I'm going to take about 1 inch of this and stick it over here, and we're gonna widen this out. I think that's going to be a good foot right there. Now I'm just going to take his foot and we're going to bend it over. Then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Going to do that on the other side too. Okay, what we're going to do with the feet is cut them off about 2.5 inches from the heel. From the heel, about 2.5 inches, both sides. Now I don't have a blueprint for this, I'm just doing it the way I think I want it done, that's all. Now that we have all of our little guys' parts, we're going to take them and clean them up on just the sander and the wire brush. Clean them up real good, then we're going to get them welded on the guy. Okay, now that we got all of our little pieces wire brushed, we're going to go ahead and start putting this little guy together. So basically, I'm going to weld the legs on and the arms on. And they're going to be straight out. But we'll use the torches to bend the legs in whatever direction we want them. We know the legs, the feet got to be facing out like the head. So we're going to go ahead and weld the feet on. I know you can't really see. But it's either you see or me, and I would rather see, so that's what we're doing, welding everything on now. Okay, we got everything welded on it, like it should. And then all we gotta do now is take it to the torches, and we'll clean it up a little bit, take it to the torches and heat his legs and stuff up and put them in the direction that we want them. So we'll get this thing out of here and get it cooled off and we'll get it cleaned up. Alright, what we're going to do now is heat up the legs and the arms and get them in the shape that we need them in, hopefully. Now we gotta see how he stands up. See if he stands on his 2 feet. Looks like I need to lean him forward just a little more to get him to stand on his feet. We'll keep trying until we get it. Aha, he stands on his own. Can you guys see that? He's standing on his own. Get out of the way, socket. There he is. He looks pretty good. We actually could probably move that foot down just a little bit, but it looks pretty good. Alright, our little railroad spike art is done in our 2 hooks. I think he'll be my little mascot for the garage. I think he's pretty cool. We're not going to mess with his fingers. We cut them with the chisel and I think they look good. So we're not going to mess with him. He's telling you guys, thanks for watching. Alright, that's 2 concrete hooks we built on there. We tried to do the little brass tent on them. It worked out pretty good. And our little guy here we made, a little railroad spike art. I think he's pretty cool. We actually basically did him on the forge and with a set of torches. And I think he turned out pretty good. Like I said, we're not even going to mess with his hands. But he is telling you guys, thanks for watching. Cool. So, I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.